Smart Medicine, health information for life. Brought to you by Christus St. Francis Cabrini Hospital.
Dr. Karim Ead joins us today. He's a podiatrist with the Christus Trinity Clinic family. Welcome to Central Louisiana.
Thank you for having me.
Tell us about your education.
So I was born and raised in Atlanta, Georgia, but then I moved to South Florida where I did my medical education and surgical training in Plantation, Florida. But then I went on to subspecialize in limb preservation in Los Angeles.
And that's very important to you.
Oh, tremendously. Patients with diabetes often have complications related to their foot. And my goal is to really prevent more higher up amputations. So every 20 seconds, patients with diabetes are, with complications are subjected to amputation around the world. And every second, a patient with diabetes that has these complications develops a wound. So my goal is really to prevent amputation and really help patients with these issues.
Well, that's going to be good news to a lot of Central Louisiana patients out there. What other diseases do you treat?
So I do everything foot and ankle. I treat bunion deformities, ankle fractures, foot fractures, and hammer toes. So I do anything related to the foot and ankle. My passion is the lower extremities. So I'm really excited to bring this care to Central Louisiana.
And do you surgery on them as well?
Absolutely. I provide both conservative and surgical treatment options.
Again, sort of an overview of what you hope to do for patients here.
I want to create a center of excellence here in Central Louisiana. So my goal is to obviously provide all foot and ankle care, but patients, particularly with diabetes that have wounds or other conditions, I want to be a center of excellence here in Central Louisiana for this area.
Smart Medicine, health information for life. Brought to you by Christus St. Francis Cabrini Hospital.